Hello everyone, it's me Shweta from Dhatri Handicrafts. Hope you're all doing good. In today's video, we're going to make a nice paisley shaped pendant. For this, I'm going to roll out a little clay and I'll apply a little water to smoothen out the surface. We need to make sure that there are no cracks on the surface. One reason being the cracks would make the pendant break in the process of firing. And another reason would be to make sure that the jewelry turns out nice and neat. Okay, so it should look professional when you make anything. So that is another reason. So once we've cut out the desired shape, what we're going to do is we're going to use the readily available tools and make nice patterns over it. Okay, it's very easy and you can use your creativity. Feel free to explore various ideas, various tools, and trust me, it is going to be really satisfying. Here I have used basic circle cutters and needle tool. You can feel free to explore other tools as well. And once the pendant is made, you have to air dry it for at least 2 days before you fire it. Okay, and for those of you who have just joined me for the first time, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notifications so that you don't miss out on such videos in future. Okay, so now as you can see, I have used the readily available tools to make these circles, and once this is done, we are going to make some beads to embellish the pendant. Now here I have made a circle or a round shaped bead and then a teardrop shaped bead. I'm going to cut out some nichrome wire to make the stick pin and an eye pin. Okay, and we need to let it dry before we use it. And once you make the U pin and insert the gunguru bead, you can proceed further by inserting the round shaped beads. And as you can see, it's already turning out really beautiful. And like I mentioned before, feel free to try your own designs, and it's pretty satisfying and gratifying as well. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.